Nah, mahasiswi tewas di kamar indekos.
Mahasiswi nekat mengakhiri hidupnya dengan melompat dari lantai 4 Mall Paragon, Semarang.
Penyebab kematian mahasiswi FISIP Universitas Indonesia yang tewas setelah terjatuh dari lantai 18 apartemen.
Saudara, seorang mahasiswi salah satu perguruan tinggi swasta di Kota Makassar, Sulawesi Selatan ditemukan tewas.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, welcome to our podcast. I'm the host named Apriliani and my friend.
My name is Okta Putri. In this episode, Somat Albert Live about mental health among teenagers with our two speaker.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yes, always good and listener of our podcast. How are you?
Those who listen to your podcast might always be healthy and always stay on your podcast. Make sure you always maintain your physical and mental health, guys, because it's very important, especially for teenagers your age.
Without further ado, let's get straight to the time of our sharing today, which is Somat about life, mental healthy teenagers. What actually is mental health?
Okay, let's get straight to the full conversation around the theme of our podcast today.
What actually is mental health, Doc?
It is a condition in which an individual can develop physically, mentally, spiritually, and social, so that the individual realizes their own ability, can cope with stress, can work productive, and can contribute to their community. It also means that mental health has an influence on a person's physical and will interfere with productivity. And in adolescents, 15 to 24% has a percent of depression of 6%. Self-depression can lead to self-harm and suicide. 80 to 90% of suicide are the result of depression and anxiety.
This means that mental health is very detrimental for the development of children to adolescents.
Oh yes, Doc. Now there are many cases teenagers already have a history of unhealthy mentality because of their family environment. Now, this time, we'll tell our source how he got to the process in his family and prove that he could still carry out his usual activities.
Well, for instance, the language person who discuss today. I hear you have a life backstory before you become a famous person now.
You can tell us about life journey from the lowest point until you become rich now.
Okay, I will tell you about my life journey. It started when I was 4 years old. Where children my age were fun playing, learning and asking questions. question, it turned out that I experienced something that made an impression on me. At the age of 4, my father figure was absent. I lived with my mother, with a questioning mind and heart. I continued to live my life as usual. I waited a long time for the ending that I hoped would come back at the age of 5. My parents were reunited, but I lost the figure of both my parents. Whose father usually taught me about courage, and the figure of a mother who taught me tenderness. In the end, I did not accept it. What I accept was the meaning of empathiness, giving and trying to understand. There came a time when I felt my family was fine. It was the opposite, where my parents fought a lot. At first I thought it was normal, until finally my father threw a punch in front of my eyes. My mother, who received the punch, also fought back. At my age, adolescence made me traumatized. I'm trauma about that. And hurt, which made me become more quiet and a little temperamental and difficult to forgive.
Then you are already
At my 14th birthday, my mom got pregnant. Yes. I was happy that with the presence of a younger sibling, it would be more crowded, and I thought this family relationship would be better. But it wasn't. My father became more and more difficult. Instead of taking care of me, he separated me from him. Well, I used to have a lot of desires. I want to ask for this. It was difficult. Yes. There was a sense of jealousy. My friends played here and there, asking for money. I was given it, but I had to make an effort first. But I did it sincerely. Thousands of effort have finally brought the broken family back again.
Sir, the family prospered and forth. Do your parents have extraordinary love?
I don't know. I'm also confused, but I'm happy that my family can be reunited even though there are economic problem or other problem. Until finally at the age of 17, I looked for a side job that could fulfill my own needs and make me happy. I gradually got into it.
Are you looking for a job until now?
Yes.
you looked for a job when you were still in high school. So how did you manage your time between work and school?
Well, my way is that I steal time during holidays, so I utilize my time by working.
That's right. You really make good use of your time nowadays. Most people your age are busy, especially during holidays. They will prefer to rest at home, play with friends. You must have a feeling of waiting to do that too, right?
Yes, I want to, but I prefer to make myself happy. Like I do the best for myself.
That making yourself happy is very important, guys.
That's right. Okay, guys. From here we can learn from a nurse. There are so many lessons that can be taken, guys. So many.
Really, can teach you how to treat ourselves best is very important.
Loving yourself is also one of the ways to maintain mental health, right, Doc? By the way, we do the best for ourselves.
That's right. And also loving ourselves has many benefits for us.
Well, what are the benefits, dogs?
Some of the benefits of loving ourselves include can increase our self-esteem, can mind our health, especially mental disorder, reduce the risk of mental health, and can help us through difficult times.
Difficult times? Yes, it's true. From the story of the Rafa, he had difficult time. Even waiting to be happy was difficult, but he did not want to give up. So he knew that happiness could be found even if we lacked ambition.
Okay, then it's good from our material today. Hopefully it will be useful for all of you who have budget with or skip.
We thank you and thank you. See you soon.